guys. Hello, let me just say hi to one or two of our clients. Hello, Mr. Yomi. How is the inspection going on?
Fine.
Okay,
Fine.
do you like what you're seeing?
Very much.
Wow,
It's
okay.
a stable land,
Wow.
spacious and upland.
Wow.
No fear of maybe swampy area. No, it's a very good
Yes.
place.
It's a dry land.
Very dry land and opening very fast.
Wow.
With various
Connections, access routes to refinery, to element, to East-West Road, Apajo, Woji. The thing just is sweet me. Thank you so much. We are happy that you really love what you saw. Mr. Emmanuel. He's another client of ours who came with us for inspection. So, Mr. Emmanuel, did you like what you're seeing?
I think the topography of the area in question is quite appreciative.
Okay.
So it's a stable land.
Okay.
And, so far, I think I'm impressed with what I've seen so far.
Okay.
Yes.
How about the networking, the access routes, and all of that?
All those are all beautiful.
Okay, they are well mapped out. Okay, thank you so much. I'm glad and I'm happy that you love what you saw. Thank you for coming for this inspection.
Yes.
All right, so let's continue as we go ahead to ask some of other clients what they have seen and if they actually like and love what they have seen. All right, excuse me, sir. Please, do you love what you saw for this inspection?
It's a wonderful land.
Wow, you love the land.
Beautiful.
Wow, you have heard it from one of our clients. We are here at New Banana Island. Okay, and then I need to ask a female, please. What did you like what you saw, please? Please, you must tell me.
Let us show you.
Please, you have to let us know if you love what you saw. If it's not good, so that we will make amends.
It's beautiful.
It's not live. We'll only put it in the office. Do you like what is not live? Do you love what you saw?
It's beautiful.
Okay, thank you so much.